Hello Philippines! Hello world! In today's video, we are going to make restaurant-style yummy and fluffy pancakes. Let's start with 2 cups of flour. We will make up to 10 medium pancakes. I just use all-purpose flour. You can use other kinds like whole wheat flour and white whole wheat flour. Add 1/4 cup granulated white sugar. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 4 teaspoons baking powder. Then 1/2 teaspoon salt. It's time to add 2 teaspoons pure vanilla, 1 egg, 1 3/4 cup whole milk, or you can use whatever milk you prefer, almond or skim. Also add 1/4 cup softened butter. Whisk till no more lumps. I also like to gradually add the milk.
veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.